Welcome to the topic of multi-layer farming. Multi-layer farming refers to the process of growing different crops in the same field at a time. After the first crop is harvested, the same land is used for another crop. This in turn helps the small land-holding farmers to grow various horticultural crops and seasonal vegetables and fruits. Multi-layer farming optimizes the use of same land and improve the soil quality. The remains from each crop, like fertilizers in the soil, will be used for another crop, which benefits the farmer economically also. It is a very efficient and sustainable way to grow food that can help the world to cut down on waste and use the available resources very effectively. This technique can be used to increase the productivity of small-size farming land by growing different crops in layers that will be harvested at different times. Now, let's look at the basic principles of multi-layer farming.
1. Increased yield. Growing several crops together increases yields because their roots fertilize each other and because more plants are working together to produce more food. 2. Faster growth. Many crops grow faster when they're grown together, especially if they're planted close to each other and watered regularly. 3. Fewer weeds. Because weeds compete with crops for water, nutrients, and sunlight, they tend to crowd out slower-growing plants when they are allowed to grow unchecked by human interference, weeding. But if you plant fast-growing plants among slower ones, you will have fewer weeds overall. 4. Fewer pests. Pests prefer certain kinds of plants over others, so planting a mix of different species reduces pest problems overall by making it harder for them to find their favorite foods. 5. Increased biodiversity. It helps increase biodiversity because different types of plants are grown together in one space. The cash flow is maintained by multi-layer farming. Farmers can maintain financial viability throughout the year by growing different crops. It also employs a large number of people throughout the year. It also helps to mitigate the effects of severe rain, landslides, and soil erosion.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like and share our videos. Thank you.